Sorry, do you think you could do that B-axis again for me? I think I might have screwed that up. B-axis retracting. And going the other way. Can you do this? Is it possible to do the spindles and the A and B axis at the same time?
What do you mean?
Simultaneously. Like the
We'll move them both together. I mean, I'm just jogging them. They will do
okay.
it. They will do it in program, you know, if it's programmed that the move
They will do that, yeah, but that simultaneously, yeah.
I'm just jogging it.
Yeah, okay. So both axes A and B will machine simultaneously. Obviously along with X, Y and Z as well, I suppose. It's quiet.
It is quiet.
Yeah. Right, thanks very much.
Hang on, I'm just doing this now.
Getting ready to do another tool change. All three tools are changing. In fact, all tool changes, all three tools are being put away.